vlog. So I am 33 weeks pregnant now, and it's been quite a good week. I'm actually filming this at the end of the week. I'm 34 tomorrow, because I never got a chance to do an intro, and that's kind of crazy because there's a lot happening, but I just didn't get a chance to kind of introduce it. I just went straight in. So I'm going to backtrack and we'll see what happens. But just kind of a crazy week because all the DIY is happening, and it's still happening. And on Saturday I was standing in the garden putting things in bags to take to the recycle centre, garden things, like plant waste. And Stephen came rushing out and said, would you be able to do a last minute photo shoot for this company, because they want a pregnant woman walking with a pram, and he kind of like, it linked up because of something else he'd said before, and I didn't think anything of it. He also said you might get a free pram out of it. So I was like, yeah, okay, I'm going to the photo shoot. So I put on my makeup, and an hour later we were driving to the photo shoot. And then we turned up at the village Gabberdashery, which is an amazing sewing shop in North London, really close to where I live. And it's kind of, the moment we got there, sorry, I look very slovenly. The moment we got there, I did think something's a bit odd. I was like, oh, is it near here? And then Stephen stopped the car and I was like, what's going on? And I had a surprise baby shower with all my lovely sewing friends. Well, not all could come, but a lot of them, and it was just the most amazing surprise. I really was blown away. I cried my eyes out. Actually, I kind of lucky that I wasn't on one of my emotional crazy days, because I think I would have just spent the whole time crying. But it was just incredible, and I'm going to do a separate vlog about that with footage from it. Gingerbread Girl's got some great footage. Other people have sent me some videos and some photos, and also I will go through all the amazing presents I got, because a lot of them are handmade, of course, by the lovely sewing community, and you just have to see them. So that's going to be a separate video, but now we're going to go back to the beginning of this week where the DIY starts. So I hope you enjoy it. Just to keep you posted, everything is going really well actually. I'm a lot more mobile, a lot quicker, still hugely out of breath, but I found out just yesterday that my thyroxine is now too low, because as the baby gets bigger I need more thyroxine, so I've gone up on a level of that. And the iron will make quite a difference to my breathlessness as well. But also being pregnant makes you breathless. So, you know, it's nothing to worry about. Please don't worry about me being all out of breath all the time. It's all good. I feel really good and I feel happy and everything is fine, and the baby is still kicking away merrily, and our last little midwife appointment went really well. So yeah, I will leave you to the beginning of the week. See you later. Bye. Okay, so I've just moved all the clothes through into here. The toys, the books, the stuff from the shelves. Shelves are nearly clear. That's nearly like, well, we've still got to put stuff in there for storage. Oh, I'm so out of breath. Everyone keeps saying, take it easy, but I kind of can't. I find it really hard to. But anyway, I've cleared all these shelves, pretty much. Hobbs is on the floor. Hello, gorgeous. All of this is clear. Lots of things in the cupboard. Lots of things on the bed. This is getting clear now. That's where all the clothes were. And that chest of drawers over there has been sold. So tomorrow the in-laws come and stripping of the wood chip wallpaper and the painting and everything starts tomorrow. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's all a bit mental. And also my parents are coming on Friday to do the garden as well. So there's so much going on. But it's really, really lovely. We're so, so lucky to have parents like these, and they're going to help us so much. And by the end of this weekend, we should have everything decorated, so then we can just start putting actual stuff in. And we've decluttered so much that we basically have space and shelves that we've never had before. So yeah, it's very, very exciting. Okay, the madness has begun. Are you ready to see what's going on in this house? Oh, Hobbles, I do feel for you, mister. Doesn't know what to make of it. There's just, I mean, it's just insane.
Gabby tin.
This is my mother-in-law, Carol. Say hello. And this is my father-in-law, Tony. They don't want to be filmed. That's fair enough. None of us really. And you've just got to see the bathroom. Ta-da! More stuff. The kitchen is no, more stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, there's all that now here. But it has begun. We are stripping wallpaper. It is Thursday at 6:45 and we have to have the whole place finished by Sunday night. So, I mean, I say we have to, but that's just our goal. But I think we can do it. Come on. Hello, Stephen!
Hello.
We're at the before bit where the wallpaper's coming off and we're realising how damaged our walls are, which is not so fun.
This is why we've got incredibly epic music.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, so basically, yeah, we're taking all the wallpaper off and then we're painting. Well, we're going to do a bit of plastering and then we're painting.
So Mum and Dad brought this up. It's a steamer. And it makes life incredibly easy compared to how it would be.
Good. Yeah, thank you for that. It's very, very helpful. So this pregnancy pillow has been a godsend for me, but I love the fact that Hobbs loves it so much too. Oh, look at our baby. That is so cute.
Videoing him.
Of course. Oh.
Well, somebody wants to inherit the pregnancy pillow.
So cute. Okay, it's the next day and yeah, we have uncovered a bit of a nightmare. We've got crumbling plaster, but it's okay. We're going to fix it and we're going to learn how to plaster in like one day. I just want to show you how cool this is. We've uncovered, wait, let me get there. Oh, the bumps making it hard to get through. Some old wallpaper, which is so pretty. Okay, Stephen, are you up for the job of learning how to plaster?
How hard can it be?
Okay, day 2 of the big decoration. We've got all the stuff, we're going to plaster it ourselves. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you what everyone's up to. My parents are about to arrive and start helping with the garden. This is a horrible yellow light, so I'm not going to film in this anymore. So I'll just show you walls instead. So yeah, we have decided to make our lives easier that we are just going to paint over the wood chip wallpaper for this bit. That blue is what colour it's going to be, and we're just going to do the chimney breast because Stephen hasn't had a chance to clear his stuff and we're going to run out of time. So we're just going to do the chimney breast. in here, and also sort out the bottom, which by the way looks like damp, but we've had 2 people check and it's not. It's just rotten wallpaper. So yeah, so we'll sort that out. And then in here, oh hello Stephen.
Hello.
In here we've got the mother-in-law being an amazing wallpaper stripper. Oh, she's not in here actually at the moment, but yeah, they are still stripping wallpaper in here. And then out here, there you go. So this is the radiator cover that's going in the bedroom, and it's being greyed a similar colour to the walls at the moment with wood paint. So you're doing a lovely job there, Tony.
Thank you.
Oh, and while we're out here, look at all the froggies. Look. So many frogs today. There you are, I can see you. So yeah, that's it for now, but I'll keep you posted. So my mum is here now. Hello. And she's being amazing because we've got a beast of an ivy plant around the front, and every year we have to cut it back, but I think I might have let it 2 years as well, so it's got a lot to do. Yes. Oh dear. Okay, out in the garden we have the dads. The dads are gardening. Wow. And Dad's pulling apart a tree. This is good timing. And I'm doing what I am allowed to do, which is like cook soup for us all. We're going to have mugs of soup because there's nowhere to sit even if we had bowls. So yes, lots going on. Oh. No, I'm filming. Much worse. I just like everyone, it's just so lovely. Look at this. How lovely are our family. You guys are amazing, thank you so much. Okay, time for another little update. Look at what's going on in here. Stephen is plastering. Woo!
Stephen is covered in plaster.
It's so impressive though. Don't worry if you can see loads of bumps and stuff, this is the smoothing out bit and it's all good and it looks amazing, and we're very...
At least 3 bumps.
That's brilliant. And that's all been done and stripped, and then look in here. Da, 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 da. This is what my father-in-law Tony has been doing. Well done, Tony! He's having a well-earned tea and scone break. How English! So that looks amazing. And we've used paint that's breathable and natural and non-toxins, so it's wonderful paint that doesn't smell at all. So yeah, still a pigsty, but we're getting there. So the grey is now done.
At least 1 coat.
Well, yeah, 1 coat. We might not have enough for 2. Well, we're getting more, but after the weekend, yeah, I've ordered it.
So, this wall is now blue because... Hello, darling.
I'm finally doing some DIY. I'm so thankful for these paints that are allowed for pregnant women. Because I love painting, it's one of my favourite things ever. I'm not very good at it, but I really enjoy it.
It's looking lovely. Nearly as good as Dad's wall.
Alright. So while I have a minute, I'm just waiting for Stephen to get here. That was unbelievable. I was so blown away. That was so lovely to have a surprise baby shower. Huge thank you to Megan and Anna and Alex and Jen and everyone that got involved with my baby shower, honestly. Oh my god, and all the presents, everyone that made presents and brought them, I'm just completely blown away. So thank you. Alright, look at the blue wall, guys. And the skirting boards have been done. This is the radiator cover in the wrong room. We're just kind of moving everything back over here, making a mess over here so that we can sleep here tonight in a proper bed. You can hear banging away because Stephen is doing things with doors, but I will walk you through there and put some music on so it's not too loud with all the banging. But yeah, I love the blue wall. Okay, look at this place. Seriously. Here's Stephen and a door. And look at the beautiful grey walls. Right, okay, just to wrap up proceedings, this is where we're up to. We are camped out in the sitting room, all our belongings, including all of my lovely stuff from the baby shower is here. Balloons, the dress that Lisa made me. So yeah, we are literally, all of our belongings and us are in the sitting room, sleeping on the sofa bed, which I should have put back to be the sofa today, but I just didn't have the strength. So it's the sofa bed. And in the rest of the house, we have a door. We have a sealed up entrance because it has been crumbling plaster and the sanding created loads of dust and I'm not allowed in there. And all of our tools and stuff are down here. Oh, crazy. So yeah, I'm kind of like still in really good spirits about it. We have wallpaper arriving tomorrow. We've just had more paint arrive. We've got our really good friend Jim, who used to be our double bass player in our old band, coming tomorrow to do plastering. So we are hopefully going to be finished by the end of next weekend. This weekend. Yes, this weekend. So basically by the 3rd of March, I'd like to think that we'll actually be done. But yeah, that's kind of it for me for week 33. I will be back with a week 34 video when I have managed to get into my room, because of course, like, the only thing left in there is my wardrobe, and inside that is the cable to connect my camera to my laptop. So this is going to be quite late. But I will be back with week 34. I have loads of goodies to show you, and I'm going to do a separate video all about the amazing surprise baby shower and all of the presents. So yeah, I will love you and leave you there. Speak to you soon. Lots of love. Bye.